The Morakniv Companion S is the perfect all-round everyday carry knife. The 2.5mm thick blade is made of Swedish stainless steel, and the tang runs 3/4 of the way up the knife, which means that you are able to work with both power and precision. Attach the sheath with a practical belt clip, so that your companion is always close at hand.
Based on the Bear Grylls Ultimate Knife, it's a sturdy one-hand opening folder. It features a fine-edge, drop-point blade with textured rubber handle so it stays in your hand, and dual thumb studs for quick opening. Its lock-back mechanism keeps the knife securely open when in use and securely closed. It comes equipped with a low-profile sheath for lashing to a backpack or attaching to a belt. It has a lanyard hole for additional securing options and comes with Bear's Priorities of Survival pocket guide. Take security with you. This is the Bear Grylls Folding Sheath Knife.
The Atlantic Salt is a time-tested favorite among savvy mariners who appreciate its versatile combination of a blunt-tipped sheepfoot blade, a 50/50 index finger choil, an integral shackle key, and ultra-corrosion-resistant materials. The newest version of this popular model raises the bar even higher with a blade crafted from LC200N, a nitrogen-enriched martensitic steel that is also fearlessly corrosion-resistant, yet offers enhanced edge retention, especially in its plain edge format. Also available in an aggressive spider edge configuration, its blade is full flat ground for low friction cutting performance and is supported by a sturdy backlock mechanism. The lightweight handle is injection molded in the distinctive green color of the LC200N series and is home to a reversible pocket clip that provides ambidextrous tip-up carry.